What's the intriguing link between this rad 80s pop, this wild gabba, and this hip-hop beat from the 1990s with a sample of a toy piano?
They've got nothing in common at all.
No way, Josefa. All of these tunes were created using MusicLM, the text-to-music generator from Google. In this video, we're going to put it to the test and explore what it can do. So welcome to...
Oh yeah, amigos, I'm back to share something super cool with you all. I finally scored access to Google's MusicLM. That's right, we toss in some text, and voila, music. We're gonna put this bad boy through its paces in all sorts of scenarios. How about whipping up some tailor-made tunes for our daily grind? And yeah, you betcha, those phone ringtones are a total buzzkill when it comes to waking up. So, MusicLM, a delightfully peaceful ringtone to help you wake up with a smile on your face. Oh yeah, pure bliss, total calmness. What a delightful tune to kick off the day. And them, yeah, the usual routine, sizzling eggs and crispy bacon, then hitting the gym. But seriously, isn't it just the same old crummy tunes at the gym every time? Exercise music, high energy, steady rhythm, something that makes me want to get moving. Heck yeah, that's how we rock a workout. This tune's got us grooving and moving like never before. Alrighty then, after the sweat fest, it's time to buckle up for the classic 9-hour trade-off of our precious time for some cold, hard money. But hey, those spreadsheet cells won't seem quite so dull now that we can summon some sweet AI tunes to liven up the scene. A smooth piano melody is intertwined with a gentle guitar strumming, accompanied by a steady bass line and soft percussion. This song is brimming with calming and inspiring vibes, perfect for creating a focused and pleasant atmosphere in an office setting. It's like a musical cup of coffee to keep you energized and productive throughout the workday. Oh, absolutely. Who knew going to the office could be such a pleasant experience? This music really adds a delightful touch to our daily routine, making work much more enjoyable. Well, the workday comes to an end, and of course, we head out for some shopping. Naturally, we've got extra money and no time to spend it, so let's impulsively buy expensive stuff. But, seriously, the same music in the mall again? A lively blend of upbeat piano, playful guitar plucks, and a groovy bass line, complemented by light percussion, creates an engaging shopping atmosphere. It's like a musical invitation to enjoy a leisurely retail experience with a touch of excitement. Yes, with this music, exchanging money for material things that we don't really need becomes enjoyable. Finally, it's time to return to our sweet home to prepare for a romantic dinner with our significant other, eager to surprise him or her by playing new, original music during dinner. 80s slow pop music from Japan, old school synths. Hot and spicy once again. After a few drinks, you're in the mood to hit the town. But the local DJs stink with their same old repetitive tunes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, super boring. Always the same. Hardcore breakbeat, super fast. What a night, Tete. Heading home, all you're craving is some good sleep, and it's even more awesome when we have our trusty tune generator ready to serve up the perfect jams for snoozing. Solo piano music for a peaceful and serene sleep. Oh yes, absolutely stunning music for snoozing, my friends. What a thrilling adventure we had today. A huge shout out to the Nobody's Collective for backing this channel. I couldn't be creating these videos without their amazing support. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye, amigos.